In a world that's urbanizing rapidly, millions of people now live in informal, unplanned settlements. There is a scarcity of access to basic services such as clean water, electricity, and sanitation. Informal settlements are complex spatial infrastructures. These informal settlements are home to 1/4 of the world's urban population, which accounts for around 1 billion urban dwellers. It is estimated that Africa's urban population will triple in the next 50 years.
Informal settlements grow organically, and we see a very high rate of urbanization in the growing cities of the south, including in Durban.
Unfortunately, we do not have maybe a modern technology. We do fly a drone a year to capture that image. A drone is just to see how far it has grown and how the pattern, how does it grow? Does it densify or it's widely spread?
The problems around mapping are largely that there is a movement of people between the cities and the rural areas, and also development that's happening without formal processes that the city can extract data from.
How we were doing the mapping before, we're doing a manual process where we were viewing the photography and creating shapefiles. We also used LiDAR data where it involved us converting last tiles, converting that into DEMs. It's quite a rigorous process, so it took months, often a year, just for us to produce building footprints data sets.
We're having a program that's called enumeration system, where we update the database maybe every 2 years, every sometimes of days. So right now we didn't do the enumeration. We just did the profiling, where we estimated the number. We estimated that we have 500 households, housings. Then we said maybe 500, how many houses, how many households? We said maybe 5 in a house. We divided that 5 times 500. That gives us a number of people that we estimate that are in informal settlements.
Urban technologies like BEAM have impact on people and communities, because a key object of this collaboration with UNITAC and the city was to utilize the tool output for planning. So the principal idea is to achieve more efficient and evidence-based planning processes by understanding the dynamics of informal settlements.
The Building and Establishment Automated Mapper is an AI-based mapping tool for city planners to radically accelerate the detection and spatial recognition of building structures on aerial imagery.
BEAM is one of the tools which will enable us to better understand the trends in urban development in the city. It will also create better efficiencies and create a platform for sharing of data so that we can improve our delivery of basic services as well as social and economic transformation to those excluded from the formal areas of the city.
BEAM changed our workflows and accelerate detection processes. Well, yes, it's shed a lot of time that was wasted in allocating tasks to resources. We're able to get a turnaround time of now 72 hours across the whole of eThekwini. So yeah, BEAM has been a great help.
What was really meaningful was to go to eThekwini, to go to the settlements, to talk to the people in the communities, to have this kind of knowledge exchange, to see how the tool can benefit from their knowledge